Doug, I've never seen you so enthusiastic.
You've never seen me enthusiastic. Anyway.
Sorry, bonjour. We're back to the Patrick's bass. Yeah?
Yeah.
I know you're laughing. I'm trying to...
Right, what I'm doing now, and I'll tell you why. I'm
Yeah.
cutting the holes for the jazz bass, and I'm cutting them on a piece of scrap, and I'll tell you for why. Because this is a new jig I've made, so I've got to make sure it's the right sized.
Excellent.
Okay.
Excellent.
Okay, so I'm using a Makita thing, and I've got 1/2 inch cutter, 18mm follower.
Very good, yeah.
So basically, it's 1/8 of an inch bigger than the actual hole's going to be. Okay, so I'm just going to cut it roughly out on both pickups. That's one. That's only just a little thing, just to see. Can you see that?
Yeah.
I'll just try it with a pickup, make sure it's okay.
So what's this? What's the measurement then, which gives you this? The fact that it does. Oh, obviously it can't cut into squares, can it? But why is it?
No, I can cut them with a smaller router at the
What's
end.
the setting that causes this?
It's a follower on the bottom of it there.
You said 18mm.
It is 18mm across.
Oh yes, yeah.
That's 18mm, and the cutter is 1/2 inch.
And that's obviously that thick. Yeah.
The cutter's 12.7.
Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Okay, so that should fit in that, and it does. It's right. That is. If you can look over from the top, it's big. It's because it's supposed to be, because it's got to have movement.
Ambassador.
Okay, so I'm going to do that one. Make sure that one's okay now.
Yeah. I think you'll be okay there.
I think so. I say I've just made them, and I lost the originals I had. I'll just get my sucker offerer on that, I think.
Where is he?
He's there.
I'll let you grab the length.
There's no need for filth on these videos. And there we are.
I like that. I like how you did a bit here, and then you just totally ignored that. You just kind of went.
Well, just offended me. So, right.
Token gesture sucking off.
Yeah.
So, obviously Patrick's bass, here we are again.
Yeah.
Can't believe you're wearing the same top again, Doug.
Well, it was only 5 minutes ago. You were filming me.
5 days ago. Come on, don't spoil the mystique. Yeah.
Oh.
Are you going to go for it or not?
No, I'm going to have a look first. Yep. So they're bigger pickups, are deeper as well.
What's that character?
2 coils.
Yeah. Oh. Twice as good, eh?
I wouldn't think so. I quite like the originals, don't you?
I don't know.
I like the shallow ones version of them, but they don't make them anymore.
So these are Fender, are they?
This is firewood. So yes, so we can go for these now. On the jig,
Yeah.
you can have a look. I've done a straight line that way,
Yeah.
and I've squared it across on each pickup.
It's scored in, isn't it? Yeah.
Yeah,
It's hard,
scored in.
hard to
Can
see
you-
on the video, but yeah.
It is. Can you see them?
Well, it doesn't matter. I'm sure they believe you.
Yeah. Handmade.
What with your weapons?
I make everything, don't I? But so we're just getting a centre line. that one's there.
I take it that bit of dark wood in the middle is spot on centre, is it?
Yeah. It is.
Hold on. I think I've had too many of your biscuits. I've been avoiding biscuits recently. But,
So, neck bridge. So that's the neck one. Probably better off turning it over, really. I think the score line's down there, so you can line it up better. So I say that the reflection of these lights above me is quite difficult to follow. There you go. So they are squared up. Yeah. Yeah. That's everything now. I just need to clamp it up.
I
know I can see that. I know. It's because I just realised that this is going to be in the way.
Yeah.
So I'm going to put this here.
All that good work gone down the
Yeah, well, it won't take a second to move it back, will it? It's better to be safe than sorry. Get it right.
I totally agree.
So we'll start again. Yep. Pretty square now.
I've never heard those words.
I'll probably knock it all out when I try to put this clamp on.
Probably. Do you want me to put my finger on?
Yes, please.
Oh, I love those. You've never said that to me before, I don't think.
What's that?
Yes, please.
Oh, well.
It's such a nice tone in your voice. Oh, no, you've knocked it off.
Yeah. We'll get it back. The clamp is now making it a bit more. Yep, I can see.
I didn't say you couldn't.
Oh, trouble with that. There you go.
I get that clamp off. It's probably. Oh, there you
It's
go.
got itself off.
Look at that.
Yeah, I can't.
My brain and that clamp are tuned to perfection. Oh, this is gone tits up, Doug.
Yeah.
This 5-minute video is now at 7 minutes 30 seconds.
Well, it's because of the clamping.
You want another clamp? That's clamp, Doug. What clamping
I just
system are you
need
going to
a
go
clamp that'll hold it roughly in place while I.
for? Roughly in place.
Yeah, just roughly in place while I get the other clamps on.
Oh, I see what you mean. So you're going for a dual clampage method,
I'll put this clamp on.
Yeah, a clamp on.
See, it's even that. You just touch these things.
Yeah.
And it fucks the job up.
Emphasis on the fuck. Yeah.
We're there. We're actually there.
I'm with you. Do you want another one of those clamps?
No, don't need another one. I'm going to use these two now.
I like those better.
What, that one?
Yeah, it's like the sort of trigger action, so this bullshit turning method.
Yeah, but this bullshit turning is really a strong clamp and it hold it in right place.
I know.
And it won't slide about.
Yeah. Oh no. I'll give you that.
It's very warm in here.
Say that again. And knowing you probably want me to put this clamp back.
Yes, please.
You know, please. I think I've entered another world. Oh, that'll do. Ah, it's gone in. Looking good, Doug, looking good.
No, it's not right.
Oh, are you kidding me?
No, I'm not kidding you.
Yeah, just slightly off, isn't it? Yeah.
It has to be right.
It's
Is that it?
No, I don't think so. There you go.
There we go.
Yeah.
That's it now.
It's like a couple of flies' toes.
Yeah.
A big toe and the next toe.
Yeah.
You'll be setting me on next now. After this experience, I'll be on a wage from tomorrow. Silence says it all. you want me to do that, or are you going to go for it?
We're sucking off now.
You're not losing the magic of the day, are you?
What's that?
You look like you're getting all serious.
Oh, okay.
No, I don't want you to.
It's a long, slow job, isn't it? Almost done. It's hard wood, this, all of them are.
Yeah.
You see that there? So,
Oh yeah, hang on. That was that channel.
that's it. That is that channel.
Well, just, you're going to try, yeah. A bit tight.
Well, yeah, the corners are tight because it's half-inch round cutter.
Oh yeah.
So I have to cut them with a small router.
Okay.
Okay?
Are you going to, when do you want to do that?
Not now.
Okay.
I'll do the holes.
Okay, so you're going to do the other hole.
Yeah, same thing.
And then you'll use a smaller router to kind of square off the.
That's right, yeah.
Okay, so what would you call this video?
Fucking about.
Routing holes for pickups.
Yes.
On the Patrick's bass.
Yes.
Okay then, we're going to say goodbye.
Goodbye, fuck off.